Welcome to Lesson 3 of the ScanRover Academy. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use scanner filters to remove unwanted stocks from your scanner results and focus on the opportunities that matter most to you. Scanner filters work across ScanRover's scanners. When you enable or disable a filter, the scanner results update automatically, removing stocks that no longer match your selected settings. This gives you a fast way to reduce noise without changing the core ranking system. To access scanner filters, click the Filters button located on the right-hand side of the scanner toolbar, alongside the built-in scanner buttons. This opens a panel containing a series of exclusion filters that can be enabled or disabled at any time. As you change each filter, watch the scanner update. Stocks matching the selected exclusions are removed, allowing the remaining results to move up and fill the available positions. Scanner filters give you a quick way to clean up your scanner results and focus on the types of stocks you want to research. They don't change the values shown in the scanner columns or create a completely new scanning strategy. For more advanced control over price, gap percentage, volume, relative volume, float, and many other conditions, ScanRover also includes custom scanners on eligible plans.